Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I made this channel specifically to teach C++ to those who want to learn it for professional development or for their studies. I will give my best to clear every term and topic in an easy way with the examples. And if you find any doubt or any question, just comment below and I will definitely reply you back as soon as possible. And also subscribe my channel to support and to keep notified with my videos update. So let's start with some basics. So what is programming language? It is called instruction set or commands which we give to CPU to perform specific tasks on computer. For example, when we use a calculator on a computer to perform any calculation, there are several programs running on a CPU to give results for every problem. Each step which we take to perform on a computer, programs work behind it. Like if we take an example of our daily routine to understand this definition, that would be better, I think. So for instance, a 1-year-old baby don't know how to eat food, but he can learn if his mother or any other person give instructions to him about how to pick the spoon and how to eat food in his language which he can understand. In the same way, computer don't understand our human language. Computer know only binary language, that is 0 and 1. So human made instructions in 0 and 1 so that computer understand it and give us the results which we want. And these instructions or commands which we give are called programming language. So let's take a look on the history of the programming languages, or when the computer were invented. So in the 18th century, when computers were invented, machine code was written to execute on a CPU to perform every task. Machine code is called a sequence of binary instructions. Computers understand only 0 and 1, so instructions were given in 0 and 1 at the time. And it was very difficult to make instructions in 0 and 1 for every CPU because it is not human readable. 0 and 1 is not human readable. We don't know what the instruction is. So writing machine code for every CPU according to their architecture was time-taking and difficult. And it is not like that we make a machine code for a CPU and it will work for another CPU. That's not. Every CPU needed a different machine code because of their different architecture. Machine code was executed correctly on a specific CPU for which it was designed, not the other one. So here is the example of how machine code looks like. Machine code and machine language, both are same words. So here is the example. You can see this binary code represent the equation z is equal to x plus y. Just imagine if this equation was not there, you are not able to figure out what this code represents because this is not human readable. Did you see how difficult it is to understand the machine code? Machine code is not human readable. Therefore, to overcome this problem, assembly language was invented. What is assembly language? We will learn it in the next lesson. Thank you guys to support me. I will meet you in the next lesson. Thank you so much and have a good one.